health is not the responsibility of the government. To maintain my health is also my responsibility. So I need to have lifestyles which will give me good health. And similarly, in environment, when I in fact tried to analyze what the Environment Ministry actually does, then it was more about regulations, framing laws, and then ensuring how they are implemented and how we fine people and how we actually ensure that their laws are more and more stringent, people are made to follow them. That's also very, very important, because unless we have a good quality law which will actually help people to understand that they also need to follow some code of conduct and they also need to have some good quality behavior, nobody is going to follow things so easily. But what we all could appreciate that in India, we fortunately have a very, very powerful DNA for environment issues, and our ancestors.
I just want to ask anybody, does anybody know the magic of Sanskrit? Sanskrit shloks? What does it do for us? Sanskrit, India is the land of Sanskrit, the mother language of this planet, the purest language. It is called Dev Bhasha. But why? Because it improves brain wave pattern. It improves brain wave pattern. It sharpens the intellect. It keeps the mind alert. It lowers your blood pressure and many, many more such things. Why are we not teaching them all this? And Vedic maths. Vedic maths, I wonder if you know, I'm sure all of us have heard of it. But modern maths and Vedic maths, modern maths is all based on logic. If you've been taught how to solve your quadratic equations, you will be able to solve those quadratic equations. But if you are learned in Vedic maths, your clarity, the clarity of your mind and your understanding of numbers is so sharp that you can solve a problem that you have not ever been taught.
It has been absolutely delightful and fulfilling to see this project grow from approximately 50 applications in the first 2 years to nearly 250 applications in the last 2 years. And with the dedicated guidance of our learned jury members, we have been able to refine the initiative year on year, building it to the stature it has today.